Computer science videos here today to show you guys in tutorial 17 how to send another photo through direct message on Instagram using the application called GRIDS for Instagram using a computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So the first thing you have to do is go all the way down to the dot, click on the application called GRIDS, navigate to the direct message, choose who you will be sending the message to, click on this, go to the bottom right corner where it says or has the logo of a photo. I would click this, navigate to the directory of where the photo is kept, click on this, open. The arrow that points towards the top, click on this, and now we have sent the photo. I will go to my mobile phone, click on the message, double tap to say that I've received it, refresh the page, and there I can see the person I sent the photo to has liked the message. I've just sent a message from my mobile phone. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.